sa inyo sa pamamagitan ng magagandang at biling-biling programa mula Lunes hanggang Linggo. Salingin kayo ng aming talagang mga kumisalita at public service program. Ito lang ang himpilan ng PWPL.
Hope is one of the most powerful words in any language. No matter how difficult your situation in life, if you have hope, you can make it. But in a country or situation like ours, where life is getting more difficult, where can you find hope? Stay with us and find the answer on the word of hope from Bishop David Sobrepena.
Check. Some plastic on the lip. Check off. Have a great day.
The expression, seeing is believing, is well known, yet it's not always accurate when it comes to spiritual concerns. Though occasionally doubters will respond, "Show me a miracle, and I'll believe." Jesus addresses Martha in John chapter 11, verse 14, saying, "Did I not tell you that if you believe, you will see the glory of God?" Jesus is imparting to us a very significant lesson. Believing will lead to seeing. More from Bishop David Sobrepena.
Ang ating pong paksa, believe you will see. Meron pong mag-asawang mga business people. This was years ago, nung meron pa tayong TV ministry sa GMA. Narinig nila ako na nagsabi, sa mundo ay to see is to believe. Pakita mo muna sa akin yung pera. Pag nakita ko, maniniwala ko. Bigyan mo muna yung proof para ako'y maniwala. So sabi ko doon sa aking broadcast, hindi ganyan ang patakaran ng Diyos. Kung gusto mo makaranas ng mga malaking pagpapala, maniwala ka muna. Believe and you will see. So itong mag-asawa, tumawag sila, mga bagong Christian. Sabi na, Pastor, we'd like to make an appointment. So, noong araw ng appointment na yun, ay pumuusap sila sa aking opisina. At I met them, they introduced themselves, and sabi nila,